Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your driver license online in Australia. I will be on this website which is called queenslandgovernment.com. It is authorized Australian, the nearest of the like transport and motoring license issuer, and you will be just on it. But I will be not in Australia, and sometimes this website not working out of like region. So if you have in Australia, so you will be just visit this website queenslandgovernment.com, and you will be just tab on it, this section of renewing your license online. So I want to renew my driving license online, and I will just tap on it simply in this green tab. And here is the about this service. So before you get a start, it's important to check the renewal notice we send you. Some renewals can't be done online. It says that sometimes it will just send you the renewal notice on your email, but sometimes it will just can't be done online. You will be just have to visit these offices near the Queensland in Australia. This is the like office of the transportations and uh, issuer the of a driving license for the beginners. And it will says that the steps to renew online, like login, enter your driving license details and confirm your identity, and just check your address, your residential address, like your home address, and we mail your new license to your postal address. And it will just check your license can be renewed online. So if you can renew online, you will just go for the step 3. Like I will just show you. Step 3 means that you will just pay the online surcharges from your credit card or debit card. So it will be just your problem has been resolved. But it will also mention it that if you can't renew online, so it will be just needed to visit a customer service center. So you will just have to go it, and you will just go with your details with your national identity card or your current driving license which has been expired. So in this way, in both ways, you will just have to renew it online. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified